Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm not here to show you any dance routine, but we are going to learn some basic steps for belly dancing. In this video and the following videos, you're going to learn few basic steps of belly dancing and we are going to practice enough so that by the end of the video, you become better at what you do. Starting with the basics of belly dancing, we will first try and understand what and how is the basic posture of belly dancing. It is very important to be in the correct posture if you want to do the steps right. Let's begin. The first thing that you must keep in mind is that your knees should always be soft while you're doing belly dancing, which means you need to bend your knees so that your hips can move freely, which is very important in belly dancing. Also, if you will keep your knees locked, that is straighten your legs, then it will not allow your hips to move freely, which will restrict your movement. Hence, we need to keep our knees always soft. From the side, it should look something like this. The second most important element of the basic posture of belly dancing is the posture of your hands. While dancing, you can move your hands in any manner that you want. But for the basic posture, you will keep your hands straight at the level of your shoulders on the sides. Okay? Your hands should be at the sides at your shoulder level straight. Okay, from the side, it will look something like this. You can also soften your elbows a little bit so that you can give that stance to your hands and body. The next and the very important part of the posture of any dance form is keeping your back and upper body, that is your bust, straight. Okay, this is the very important part of any dancing posture. You can relax your shoulders and keep your back and your spine straight and erect. From the sideways, it will look something like this. The last tip and trick of the basic posture of belly dancing is the posture of your pelvic bone. Your pelvic bone plays a very important role in belly dancing, as it is connected to the hips and there's a lot of hip movement in belly dancing. So generally, as women or as girls, when we stand straight, our hips are always stuck out. That means our pelvic bone is dropped down. But in belly dancing, it is very important to understand that your pelvic bone should always be lifted up. Okay, it is very important for us to keep this in mind, as it helps in the movement of our hips easily. Okay, so generally we keep it like this, that is hips tuck out. But in belly dancing, when you lift up your pelvic bone like this, it helps your hips to tuck in. So at the end, your basic posture for belly dancing will look something like this. Thank you so much everyone. Our next video on the basic steps for belly dancing is going to be out soon. Thank you for all your love and support. Do like, share and subscribe if you like to watch my videos. Thank you.